welcome everybody to Rainbow Delight, and today I'm going to make 4 birds. Just some random bird, a seagull, a flamingo, and a parrot. So first you need about 2 of these like roundy pieces, and make sure they're separate because we're going to use them separately. So not use like those big 2 ones that are connected. And same for this one. Well, we only need 1 though. And well, there's a really cool thing you could do with this. So you can put these together like this, and that's really nice shape. So I'm just going to keep that. You need 2 pieces with 1 stud and a piece with 2 studs on the side. And well, you can make these any colour. I just choose some nice colours. And these light pieces, well, you don't have to use lights, but I just use lights because I didn't really have the piece I wanted. And I'm not taking these apart because these are really hard to put together. And it was hard to take these 2 apart. And you need a black pointy bit. And don't worry if you don't have these, you can make the beak any colour. No rules here. So, first, you need to you have to put this like that. Can you see that? And then you need to put this like here. And then you have to put these 2 on each side. And then you need to put this on front up there. And then you need to put the beak. And then you got a parrot. You can also smooth off the top, because if that's a bit annoying to see, just a stud on top of your parrot. But there's a parrot. I'll keep that there. And now let's move on to the flamingo. So first, you get this. You can also put a stand underneath to make this a bit more stable. Actually, that would be a bit more sensible. Yes, like that. Be hard to remember this. So, wait, first I might introduce the pieces. So you need this, you don't have to be black, but definitely has to have the 4 studs, okay? And you need 1 of these blocks. Oh, and I already made a video how to make a flamingo, so if you already watched that, you might see my pieces are slightly different. Because that's actually 5 months ago though. So then you need to put this underneath just to make it a bit more smooth, and then you put the stick, and I'm just going to make this a bit different. You could do that and then round it off, but since I'm doing this rather quickly, I'll just put this behind. And I'm also you can have 2 of these. It'll be a lot more sensible to do this sorry. And then you need to put this behind here, and then you need to put this on the back just to smooth it off, but you don't have to. And then you got flamingo, and I also heard they have like these new baby flamingos, and also they have some regular like flamingos and Lego pieces, but here's a buildable one if you don't have any of those. So got a flamingo. Is this upside down? No, this is upside down, sorry. And here is this random bird. You must know how to build this if you watched like my bird, bed and piano video. So use the carrot stick. And for the seagull here, I don't really have any more of the carrot sticks, so I'm just using 1 of these, but you can just use a carrot stick. And that's nice and simple. And you finished, and you've got, oopsie, upside down. I'm going to get these upside down. And you got 4 birds. I'll see if I can try and make some more. I'll try and see if I can make some more. But if I do find some more ways to build some of these birds, I'll record it. But anyway, in the meantime, bye-bye.